Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some swatches on Color Club's, I believe it's Thug Life stamping plate. So this is how they come. And let's take it out of the wrapper. They got the directions in the back. And let's zoom in a little bit. And we will start with the money signs right here. Can't really see because it's white polish on a clear stamper or white stamper, but so I know some people were having issues with this plate not picking up, and you know, they do have beautiful images. It's just you got to have the right stamper to be able to pick up. Oh, that wasn't a perfect swatch of the 8-ball, but uh-oh, I didn't clean my stamper. There's the guns. And the stamper, it fits in there tight, so it's a little bit harder, so it doesn't, you kind of got to roll it on your nail. And I'm kind of afraid to like really push on the pop stick because I'll snap it. So you kind of got to roll it. A lot easier to do on your nails. So there's the guns and the bullets. It's kind of cool. I actually wanted the Mary Jane plate, but I cannot find it anywhere. Sold out everywhere. Okay, some weed leaves. Going out of focus there, but that's how that came out. Here, we'll do these knives down here. Okay. Oh, dropped one of my pop sticks on the floor. So there's the Thug Life rating. Came out pretty good. Could read that nicely. So these plates do work. Like I said, you just need the right stamper. I was just about to give up on them too, and I was kind of upset because I had bought like, I don't know, like 5 of them or so. And I'm like, psh, I bought all these plates and they don't work. And then when I figured out the stamper worked with this one after I tried it, I started pulling a couple of my other plates out that I had issues with, and actually the stamper kind of worked with those too. The only thing is I like using stampers that I could see through. Oh, my pop stick broke. Okay, well, I'll stamp that again, but that's actually the second time that's happened to me in a video. But I do reuse my pop sticks. So there's the brass knuckles. Sorry if the camera shakes. When I clean it, it shakes the table a little bit and it shakes it, the camera too. So there's the money signs. Oh, come on, focus in there. Okay, that's the way I I didn't scrape it right. But as you see, they picked up pretty good, but I'm going to try that one again. I didn't clean my stamper. Well, that was me over here where I didn't clean my stamper, but so there's the pistols. I mean, this plate's different. You don't see too many plates with these images on them. Okay, so there's the little fists. Okay. Okay, and last but not least, we got these money signs right here to do. So let's see how those come out. So there they are. Let's try to get a couple of those on here. And there you go. So I hope you like this video. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you come back soon. Thanks again, and have a blessed day. Bye.